Well, I think how I got into the nursing profession was an interesting story. I never thought about nursing. I don't have any family members that are nurses. And as part of my high school co-op program, I was randomly selected to just go be a nursing student at North York General Hospital. And in that co-op program, I fell in love with the profession. I really enjoyed it. The nurses were amazing. I loved interacting with the patients and engaging with them. And since then, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I think there's been lots of changes for nurses throughout my career. I think it's really great to see nurses' roles continuing to elevate at different tables and decision-making processes to influence the system. But I think even for direct care nurses, seeing how technology is influencing the way nurses are practicing and engaging with patients and families, it's really creating more opportunities for nurses to have greater reach with patients and families and be able to have more efficiencies in the way that they do the work that they do. I've had an amazing journey at Ontario Shores, and I think that I've had the privilege of having lots of opportunities, starting off in professional practice as an educator, and then having the opportunity to be the director of professional practice and clinical information, and really being able to lead some of the work with the teams around our electronic medical record and advancing quality of care and practice, and then had the opportunity to become the VP for practice academics and chief nurse at Ontario Shores, and then most recently have transitioned into the interim clinical services role, where I'm really rediscovering clinical services with a new lens. What I've learned about nursing, and I would say probably a rediscovery about nursing during the pandemic for me, has been, in the busyness of day-to-day, especially in the pandemic, I'm really proud of nurses, and I have to actually put a plug in for all of our staff. I'm really proud of all of our staff, including the nurses, that have continued to really uphold this level of passion and commitment to the work that we do, to the service that we're providing to our patients. And some days I feel like the pandemic world has been so chaotic, and I'm at awe that people continue to hold this level of commitment. And so really proud of nurses as well as all of our staff, because I think they've all equally demonstrated that for us during the pandemic.